Are you studying or working? I left school 3 years ago. I'm working now. Are you self-employed or working for a company? I'm self-employed. I used to work for a company 2 years ago. Are you running any business? Yes, I'm running a small business. What does your business sell? I make and sell handmade cosmetics. Do you have any difficulty running that business? Yes, I had some difficulties attracting customers at first, but everything is getting better now. Is that an online or offline business? I sell products online. It's easier selling online than offline because I can take full advantage of my social network. When did you start the business? I started running my own business 2 years ago. What are some advantages of running your own business? I can take some days off whenever I feel tired. And I can make much more money compared to working for a company.